channel. I am Naturally Carlissa. It's been a while, but today I'm going to be doing a clay mask on my hair. First and foremost, if you like this video, like and subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram at naturally_Carlissa. I have a lot more content on there. So the clay mask that I'm going to be using today is by Taura Amore. It's the September clay mask. And the liquid that I chose to use with the clay mask is my Hairapy Tea, my Hairapy Hair Tea. And the instructions on it also says if you add the September oil, you have better benefits. So I also added some of the September oil into it too. By Taura Amore. So I'm just gonna show you guys what it looks like. Real thick, a little thick, kind of like me. But I haven't done a clay mask in a very long time, so I'm excited to see how this goes. The instructions on it is to mix 2 tablespoons of powder with 4 tablespoons of your choice of a warm liquid. Apply to the mix to your already detangled hair and gently rub it onto your scalp. I let it sit for 10 to 15 minutes before rinsing thoroughly. Double the recipe if you need it. Detox may be done before or after shampooing your hair. So I'm going to do it before the shampoo. I'm kind of going to use it as my shampoo since it's a detoxer. Some of the things that it has in it is yogurt for antifungal and anti-inflammatory properties. It has lavender, ginger root, rosemary leaf, hibiscus flower, moringa leaf, witch hazel bark, cassia, peppermint leaf, and bentonite clay. So I'm going to take my hair down, and then I'm going to come back, and we're going to apply the clay mask to my hair. Before I start, I'm going to apply my gloves that I got from the local hair supply store, because it's gonna get messy. It didn't really say whether or not to add water to my hair, but I just sprayed a little bit all over my hair before I started. And I'm going to take this clay mask and separate it into sections and go from there. It kind of smells like, I don't know if y'all grandparents, you ever had a cold and you were like, I need something for this cough because this cough is real bad. And they gave you some Father's John. That's exactly what this smells like. And y'all please don't charge it to my heart if I got stuff all over my face, because y'all know how bad I am with not being able to see into this camera in my hair. And I got stuff all over my face. I just dropped this all over my floor. Y'all, this stuff is all over my floor, and I don't have one of those type of bathrooms where like the floor is hard. It's carpet. A man made this bathroom because a woman would never. But I'm trying so hard not to get it on the floor. It's really messy. So make sure you can do it in a spot. You can put this stuff in a spot where it won't mess up your floor. Alright, so I'm all done applying this clay mask to my hair. I'm going to let this sit for 10 to 15 minutes like it said. I'm going to try to clean my floor within this 10 to 15 minutes. And then I'll come back and show you guys my hair with no product before I deep condition and everything. And I'll give you my final thoughts on it. Alright, so the clay mask is all washed out of my hair. So you can just see it feels really soft. So I wanted to cut past that part. I looked at it and realized that I actually had clay still stuck in my hair. So what I did was, because I said I'll always be honest, I went back and I washed my hair, and I had to shampoo my hair twice. Yes. I had to shampoo my hair twice in order to get all the herbs out of my hair. And then I had to use my shampoo brush to scrub all the herbs out of my scalp. It was a lot. It was a lot. My final thoughts on this clay mask is I think it did what it needed to do. It did detox my hair and got all the oils and everything out. My scalp really did feel refreshed after I used it. The cons of it, it's really messy, but I think that's any clay mask. And also, it took a while to get out of my hair. So my wash day took a little longer than normal. But I don't know. Will I do this again? I'm not sure, because I feel like it's an added extra step that I can just use a clarifying shampoo to just get the stuff out of my hair as opposed to putting on a clay mask. But I'm love that I tried it. And will I try more clay masks in the future? Yeah, I definitely will. But I don't know if I'll do this one again. Just being honest. So, how do you guys feel about clay masks? Did you enjoy this video? Have you tried this particular clay mask? Is there something I did wrong? Let me know in the comments. I'll see y'all in my next video. Peace.